Myself D. Lakshmi Kumar, Assistant Professor in Chemical Department. I'm leading AC Machines Lab. I want to discuss about a Sampana's test on a single phase transformer, where the Sampana's test will determine the efficiency and the regulation of a transformers, both identical transformers in one step. Whereas in OC and SC test, we will define the predetermined efficiency and the regulation by conducting separate test. But here we will do one experiment to determine the efficiency and regulation, and we can also determine the temperature range of the transformers. So this is also known as back-to-back test. So coming to the circuit diagram, this is the circuit diagram. The circuit diagram has to be connected as like in this manner, and here the supply voltage is 230 volts 50 H single phase AC supply. After connecting the circuit, making the connections to be tight, and by closing DPST switch at the primary side, by slowly varying the single phase thermostat or variac, the rated voltage has to be applied here. The rated voltage is 115 volts. By applying the rated voltage, we are going to check our secondary side voltmeter. Here, the secondary side, the transformer secondary windings has to be connected in series with the phase opposition. That can be shown by this voltmeter. So the phase opposition must be done. How it will be happen means, this voltmeter will show us a zero reading by applying the rated voltage at the primary side. If it is not happening means, we have to interchange these voltage terminals. Okay, when this voltage has been showing the zero reading, then the switch has to be closed. After this switch is closed, then the transformers are connected. Now by closing DPST switch at the secondary side, by varying the thermostat slowly, and applied rated current has to be applied here. The rated current here, it would be 8.6 amperes. So 8.6 amperes has to be flowed here by varying a thermostat or a variac slowly, and then we will take all the readings. Therefore, this is what the wattmeter, which is LPF wattmeter with a range of 150 volt 1.5 amperes. The LPF wattmeter will show us the core losses here, whereas here the UPF wattmeter will show us the copper losses here. So therefore, compared to OC and SC test, the Sampana's test will give directly both copper losses as well as core losses in one particular test, and it also determines the efficiency and regulation and the equivalent circuit parameters also, and it also gives the temperature range of the transformers. So this is what the tabulation V0, I0 and W0, and this is VSC, ISC and WSC. And the model graphs are coming to the model graphs. By doing this, by taking these values, we are going to do the calculation. Thereby, we will draw the characteristics between the load and efficiency for different power factors. So, for example, this is a 0.8 power factor, and this is a 0.6 power factor. The efficiency for a 0.8 power factor would be more, whereas for 0.6 power factor it is less. And we can also define the regulation characteristics of a transformer. So the regulation characteristics are determined by doing suitable calculations, and it will give the maximum regulation and a minimum regulation. Minimum regulation is nothing but a zero regulation. Here the maximum regulation will be occur at lagging power factor load, and the zero regulation will be occurred at leading power factor load. This is about Sampana's test, and we will implement this in a panel. So let me see about a Sampana's test here. In this Sampana's test, we can do the experiment open circuit test and a short circuit test parallel. So means we can find out the open circuit test where by using one thermostat, and short circuit test by another thermostat. Here, while we are applying the rated voltage in the open circuit test, we have to see the voltmeter connected across SPST. Where the voltmeter reading must be shown 0, then only the SPST has to be closed. If not, we have to change the terminals of the voltmeter in transformer side. Then again we have to apply the rated voltage. The voltmeter will show us a 0 reading. Then we are going to close SPST switch, and then we can apply a rated current through dimmerstat 2. Therefore, the rated current will be shown in the ammeter. Therefore, we can take the voltmeter 1, ammeter 1, wattmeter 1 readings, and voltmeter 2, wattmeter 2, and ammeter 2 readings. Therefore, we can find the equivalent circuit parameters of a transformer.
So, MCB ఆన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనం రేటెడ్ వోల్టేజ్ అప్లై చేయాలి. రేటెడ్ వోల్టేజ్ ఎంత? 115 volts. మనం కనెక్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎంత కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాం? 150 volts కనెక్ట్ చేసాం కాబట్టి మనం వోల్టేజ్ వేరీ చేస్తూ వోల్టేజ్ 150 volts అప్లై చేయాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 115 volts. సో 150 volts అప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత స్విచ్ ప్యారలల్ వోల్ట్ మీటర్ 0 కండిషన్ కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి. ఇన్ కేస్ 0లో ఉంది, ఓకేనా? ఇన్ కేస్ 0లో లేకపోతే మనం ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి వైండింగ్ దగ్గర. సో ఇప్పుడు 0లో ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం స్విచ్ క్లోజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో స్విచ్ క్లోజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత డిమ్మర్స్టాట్ 2 ఈ సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ నుంచి రేటెడ్ కరెంట్ అప్లై చేయాలి. రేటెడ్ కరెంట్ ఎంత? మనకి 2 kVA ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ కాబట్టి P/V, సో 8.6 I వచ్చింది కాబట్టి 8.6. ఆ 8.6 అనేది యామ్మీటర్లో అప్లై చేయాలి. చూడండి అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 8.6. సో 8.6 అప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత సమ్ ఎక్స్ వాటేజ్ వచ్చింది, కరెంట్ వచ్చింది, సమ్ వోల్టేజ్ వచ్చింది, అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 10 volts ఆర్ 8 volts వచ్చింది, ఓకేనా? సో ఇందులో ఏంటంటే ఓసిఎస్సి మాదిరిగానే ఇందులో ఒక టెంపరేచర్ కూడా మనం ఇందులో మెజర్ చేయొచ్చు, ఓకేనా? సో అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మళ్ళీ 0 పొజిషన్ తీసుకురావాలి. డెమోస్ట్రేట్స్ స్విచ్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి.